Hi, hello everyone. In this chapter, we're going to learn about sound, video, and animation. Of course, this is one of the interesting things that you can include sound or video, and also you can create some sort of animation inside your page. Well, these things actually are best opened in Internet Explorer, so I'm not going to use Chrome here. I'm going to use Internet Explorer in order. Okay, now let's take a look for the source. Of course, I stopped the video sounds in order to learn how this is done. Okay, now I'm using div in order to align my things in the center like this. Everything appears center aligned. Then I use a special tag named embed, and its source is town.mint. Okay, this is simply your image, your sound that you need to use like this. Then its width is 300 and its height is 300 and hidden equals false. This is very important. Okay, if I make hidden equals true, this means it's hidden, and this also means that it acts like a background sound that you cannot stop. It is going to work forever. Auto start equals true. This means whenever you open the page, it's going to auto start. And if soundtrack finishes and it ends, then you have an attribute called loop. If loop is true, this means whenever the soundtrack finishes, it's going to restart. Okay, I'm just writing some text. Then this is another sound. So whenever you need to include more sounds, just simply use the embed tag more than once. So this is the same thing always, or almost it is the same thing. So whenever you need to include more than sound, just repeat the embed tag. You can use embed tag for also including videos, and this video also need to exist in the same location. So its width is 300, height equals 300. It's not hidden. It auto starts and its looping is true. Now you can see this is the image. Okay, take care that it started automatically. It lasts for few seconds, and whenever it's going to end, see it's looping by itself without me doing anything. Yet I can of course stop it, resume it, stop completely, play it, whatever. And this is where you control sound. So for example, for soundtracks like this, I can use Windows Media Player controls in order to modify level of sound, whatever. So this is simply how we can embed and use sounds and videos. And again, as I mentioned, if hidden equals true, it's like you are creating background sound for your web page. Okay, in second example, we're going to learn about Marquee. See, this is what we need to create. It's moving text without doing anything. It appears like this in your web page. Now let's take a look at the source. Okay, Now I create this effect using Marquee tag. Okay, now behavior equals alternate. See what happens when the text reaches the edge of the screen. Just watch. Now it's almost approaching. Okay, so this is the alternate behavior. It moves back and forth. Because of course you can have behavior as just one side or moving from left to right or right to left. But alternate, it's moving forever, alternating, going back and forth. Now this is background color equals blue. Okay, as you can see, background color is blue. Now direction equals right. See, whenever you open the page first time, it moves right. This is the default direction. But of course, depending on the behavior, it may alternate or it may go only right direction. Now height equals 100. Okay, this is the height. And scroll amount equals 10. See, of course, this is going to control the speed. So, for example, let us do some changes here. So I'm going to make scroll amount as 100. See, it becomes very fast. So I can decrease it, make it 30 for example. Now it's becoming slower. So if you increase it, it's going to be very fast. Once you decrease it, it's going to be slower. So see, you can create bouncing text like this. It's very fast moving. So from this attribute, you can simply modify the speed of your animation. Okay, so in this chapter we learned how to include sound and video, and how you can create animation using Marquee, and how you can control its specs. Hope you guys enjoyed this chapter. Thank you.